This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and that train there that's coming around the curve is coming into Montreal from the South Shore, from St Hilarie. That would be the St Hilarie line. So here you can see the MR90s. These are the Deux Montagnes trains sitting in storage at the AMT or EXO now shops in Pointe St. Charles. And amazingly, here we have the REM. Look at how far along this has gone, this viaduct. There's only one gap, which is kind of puzzling. You can see it right there between. It's just seemingly uncanny. How come there's a gap there? Why wouldn't they just build it all at the same time? And there's another train coming. There's another EXO train. I think that's the one that's heading towards Mascouche. Here it is. That's the Mascouche train passing these freight cars that are sitting in the Pointe St. Charles yard. So it's about 5:30 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. Yeah, so that's an F59PH. And there we have the second generation Bombardier cars with an EXO painted car. So as I probably mentioned before, I'm not very fond of the new color scheme for EXO. You can see a great view of downtown Montreal from here. This is at the I guess you could say this is the Pointe St. Charles CN Yard park. They have a little berm here, and it's a kind of a rail park. And here you see, sadly, I don't think these cars are ever going to be used again. They do have some life left in them. And there's surprisingly a lot of commuter cars being stored here, considering this is rush hour in Montreal. Odd. Yeah, so I figured I'd take a short video of this. The other two trains I wasn't really expecting. Well, what I did want to show is how far along that viaduct is. I'm not sure how long it is before the REM actually opens. 2023 maybe? End of 2023, I guess. Will be interesting to see if they can finish on time. At least that section between the South Shore and Central Station should be finished anyway, in my estimation. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.